place on the internet that is shrouded in anonymity, a place where illegal activities thrive and grow. Today in this video, we will try to decode what are dark and deep web. But before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our portal. Internet basically has three layers of accessibility or operations. The first one, which we generally use, is called surface web. It is that part which everybody has access to and which can be accessed by regular search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. In layman terms, if a search engine can pull up any website on the internet, it is part of the surface web. The surface web accounts for just 4 to 5% of online activities throughout the world. Rest of the activities are carried out on the deep and dark web. The terms deep and dark web are used interchangeably in normal casual conversations. But the two words refer to two different worlds. Deep web is that part of the internet that cannot be accessed via a search engine. It is called deep web because it is in a layer beneath the surface online world. A lot of this data is password protected and it largely comprises everyday data. This includes the movies we stream digitally on OTT platforms, social media profiles and their media, all protected cloud backups, medical, financial and legal records, and even all private videos on YouTube. If anyone could reach our Gmail inbox of financial records by simply entering the correct URL, we would have a lot of privacy issues. This is why these bits of the web are not indexed and hence not searchable. At the bottom of the layer is the dark web. It is a portion or subset of the deep web, but a very small one. The content here requires specific softwares or browsers such as Tor, Freenet, Orbot, Tails, and I2P, etc. to gain access. They bypass the encryption needed to get through to these websites and also makes users anonymous, making them truly untraceable on the dark web. This is exactly why a lot of criminal activities bloom in the dark web, from drug trafficking to weapon trade and even scams. One of the most popular softwares or browsers used in the dark web is Tor, that is the onion routing. It was in fact created by US Navy first. Softwares used in dark web works by relaying the IP address to a number of destinations before it reaches its final stop, the websites one wants to visit. This network of practically infinite variables is what makes tracking someone down on the dark web difficult. But these domains are not criminals' paradise or used for websites such as Silk Road. It also helps activists, whistleblowers, and journalists voice their opinion without being monitored by anyone. One of the most famous websites on the darknet that helps whistleblowers is Dead Man Zero. This site gives whistleblowers the option to have their information automatically published if they get kidnapped, jailed, injured, or worse. Julian Assange, Edward Snowden, Panama Papers are a few of the examples of bright side of this. Today, every major news media organization globally hosts dark web, drop sites for anonymously leaked tips and documents. These were what you needed to know about dark and deep web. We hope that you liked this new video. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.